This is a brief tutorial about using your control panel. You can go over to user control panel over in the left and click on that, and you will get a drop down menu. This is not standard. This is an add-on to our forum. You have a few headings: private messages, subscribe threads, edit signature, edit avatar, edit your details, edit options, contacts and friends, or you can just go to your control panel if you don't see what you're looking for that you want to change. Click on that. It opens up into your user control panel. Over on the left hand side is your menu for all your options. I'll give you a little little bit of information about those. Your profile, edit your details, customize profile. That's how you can, this is just for your profile, which is what people see when they go to your profile. Okay, you can edit your details, all that stuff. Networking, this is your contacts and friends. Social groups, you can create a social group, kind of like on Facebook, where you can create groups. You can create groups on the forum. Group memberships, this is one of the things that people ask about. How can I join the Women of Virtue? How can I join the ministers, the pastors and ministers? Well, you click on this, group memberships, and when you click on that, you'll go to the the groups, and of course this doesn't list them all because I'm already part of 2 groups. So if you want to join the singles group, if you're single, you click on join group. If you want to join prayer warriors, or if you want to join Women of Virtue or Word of Faith or life support member, you can join those. There's also church leaders and ministers that you can join. You click on join group over here, and then you click on join group down here, and it'll send a request to the leader of the group, and that group leader must approve your membership. So that's basically how you join a group. Okay, I got sidetracked. Alright, settings and options. You can edit avatar, edit your signature, edit email and password, edit your options, edit your ignore list, because you can ignore other users, your personal messages, list messages, send message, track message, edit folders. You can set up a folder for saved, or whatever. Okay, the next thing is subscribe threads. So you can list the threads that you're subscribed to, edit folders, moderation. You won't have that unless you're a moderator. Event reminders, paid subscriptions. If you want to become a site supporter, you click on paid subscriptions. I'm going to go over all this stuff individually, but I'm just kind of site supporter is $20 for 365 days. You can, we got gamer package. That's for people who don't want to be involved in the forum really, but want to play the games in the arcade. You can do the gamer package, or the family gamer package. That's up to 4 members. That's the gamer package is $20 a year. The family gamer package is $30 a year. Site supporter 30, site supporter 50, lifetime site supporter. So anyway, you can that's that part. But I will do individual tutorials for each of these sections so that you have more detailed information. So that's it. That's your control panel. and view the other tutorials on the different sections.